Hello friends, I am Christian or Educate and you are watching Legal Knowledge KD. The topic I am going to discuss is the default bail under CRPC and comparison of default bail under CRPC of Pakistan with that of India. Default bail. Under CRPC, default bail creates by causing delay in default of whose default and delay in what procedure. So this definition is incomplete. Listen, a right to default bail creates when a delay in trial or in investigation of non-bailable offences for a fixed period is caused in default of any other than accused. The default bail is granted as a matter of right. So now I explain the law of default bail with the help of a chart. Country, delay, offenses, period. First, under CRPC of India, default bail. In India, delay in investigation is considered for the purpose of default bail. Delay in investigation. Nature of the offenses. The offenses have been divided into two categories. The offenses of first category are the offenses punishable with imprisonment for less than 10 years. Less than 10 years. And the second category of offenses is about the offenses punishable with imprisonment for more than 10 years. More than 10 years. The period fixed for the first category is 60 days. And for the second category, 90 days. Now, we come to the law of default bail in Pakistan. In Pakistan, the default bail is known as an statutory bail or a bail on statutory grounds. Statutory bail. Here, delay in trial is considered, not in investigation. Delay in trial of non-bailable offences. Here, offences have been divided into two categories, but not the same. The offences of first categories are all the offences except offences punishable with death or life imprisonment. All offences. Except offences punishable with death or life imprisonment. Death or life imprisonment. The period fixed for the first category of offences is not the same for male accused and female accused. For women, 6 months. For men, 1 year. In the second category, we know only the offense punishable with death or life imprisonment. First category, second category, punishable with death or life imprisonment. For the second category, period fixed for women is 1 year and for men is 2 years. In India, we know after the registration of FIR, the investigation is started. If the police authority or investigating officer fails to submit the charge sheet in the court within the specified period, the right to default bail is created. If delay in investigation of offences of first category punishable less than 10 years for a fixed period 60 days, or delay in investigation of offences of second category punishable more than 10 years for 90 days is caused, the accused can apply for a default bail, which is granted as a matter of right. In Pakistan, delay in trial of the cases is considered for the purpose of default bail or statutory bail. If delay in trial of all the offences except offence punishable with death or life imprisonment. If accused is a woman for 6 months and accused is a man for 1 year, and delay in trial of offence punishable with death, if accused is woman for 1 year or accused is man for 2 years, is caused, the accused becomes entitled for default bail. So, I hope you have understood the law of default bail. Thank you so much to all of you for watching.